What's going on, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, we are making some headway on this 55 Chevy. We're building this actually for the Spirit of Speed show in Pomona. And I'm pretty happy with it. Their theme is Tri-Fives this year. And when they picked Tri-Fives, I was like, oh, okay, that's my thing, you know. There's not a Tri-Five I don't like in the series. 55 is personally my favorite, and if I had to have a second pick, it'd be 57. It's pretty close. It's pretty close though. The 56 is I have a love for the 56 too. So don't hate on me just because I said 55, 57, 56. I think that's the way I like them there in the order. But they're all great classic cars. So I always told my wife if I ever bought another classic car, it would be a 55 Chevy for sure. That'd be one car that I for sure buy. Henry J would be another one. So anyway, we are building this for the Spirit of Speed. I said that already, but lots going on here. We did get a lot of interior work done on this weekend. Lot of trim work done. I got all the bare metal foil work done. That's coming out good. So basically everything's done. It just needs to be put together. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and give you guys a look at what it is so far. And we'll do some talk on some shop talk here and there. What's to be expected in the future for my shop, and plans for the next builds coming up soon. So anyway, let's turn the camera around, check this thing out. I hope you like it. Follow me, guys. Well, here you go, guys. Here's another mock-up of this thing. This will be the final stance of where I want it to be. You can see we got the bare metal foil on it this weekend. I painted in between all the spears and stuff, and I thought that came out pretty good. We got some interior stuff done. I got the roll bar all finished up, painted, lots done here. So I just wanted to do a quick little mock-up. You guys can see the direction I'm going. I'll move the camera, so excuse me for the seasick, nauseous situation here. So let me bring the camera up a little bit so you guys can see what we used. A Scale Speed Garage back half for this. I printed this, so I can't really move it because the car's kind of just mocked up back there, so you can kind of see where we're going with this. There you go there. I scratch built the roll bar. I'm gonna go ahead and open this door, but I'll probably end up popping the door off so you guys can see in here because it's not fully mounted yet. So I'm gonna pull the door right off here. So we went ahead and we started on the interior here, and you can see I used real interior in here. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but we went this way. I'll move the camera back around here. I went ahead and put some interior in the center of these bride seats. I'll have 5-point harness in here. We got the carpet put down in here. The back seat is also got material on it. Let me see if I can get a better view here. There you go, you can see it. What I wanted this to be is like somebody had a 55 and they did their own interior in it and was more worried about the engine and paint than anything else. It's kind of like I would probably do if I had a 55. So but got big old meats, Pro Stars on it. I think the bare metal foil came out really good. These doors are kind of finicky. I got to get them all mounted and put in right. So, but pretty much this is where we're at here. Let me see if I can move this over. You can see the front end a little bit. I didn't want to mess with any of the chrome until I'm ready to stick it all on. So just because of the fact that I don't want to dull it down or do anything to jeopardize the chrome work in it. So you can kind of see what I was going for in the interior. I still got the windshield crank and the wiper crank and all that, or the windshield crank and the door crank to put in here, so to open up the door. I still got to put them in here, but I'm kind of liking this stuff. So almost done this thing. So we are gonna either start on this Metro van that I have all printed up, and this is a Scale Speed Garage Metro van. I'm gonna slam it, or we're gonna start on another pickup because we need some stuff for different categories. This might actually work for that. I'm really looking forward to building this thing. I've been staring at it the whole time I've been messing with this 55. So lots of big things in the upcoming future. Not only with the channel, with some other stuff, some collaboration stuff that we're going to be doing, and we'll see where the future takes us. Very exciting. I am looking forward to a bunch of different things. So stay tuned, guys. Lots of stuff going to be happening here. So big plans, big plans. So anyway, so I hope you guys like what you've seen. Next video, I'll have the motor probably in here. I'll probably have the windshield, the windows all in here. The inside painted. You know, it's gonna have the shifter and stuff in there, and the foot pedals and all that other stuff. So steering wheels, column, and all that other good stuff. So I just wanted you guys to see the direction I was going with this thing, and why I'm taking my time on this, because it's just it's a lot, you know. But anyway, why do you watch this crap? I'm glad you guys do. And don't be a stranger. Check out my Facebook page, Chuck's Hobby Spot. Always looking for new members. Get inside the Facebook page. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications, and watch for upcoming big things for the channel. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys later, and have a great week, guys. Have fun modeling, and see you at the next show. Bye now.